In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill with AI in Monday.com using a quick demo. If you're looking to streamline your data entry processes, this feature is a game changer. Let's dive in and get started. Begin by opening a board in Monday.com. This is the hub where your information is stored and manipulated. Once you're in your board, navigate to any AI-enabled column. These include text or AI columns specifically designed to leverage the power of artificial intelligence. Next, hover over any empty or incomplete cell in these columns. As you do, you'll notice the AI Autofill icon, a small twinkling sparkle appearing nearby. Give it a click. If you don't see the AI Autofill feature, you might need to activate Monday AI within your account settings. This is done through the admin panel under the Monday AI section. Once you've clicked the AI icon, you'll be presented with a variety of autofill options. These options include Summarize, which condenses long text from another column, Generate Content, which creates new responses based on context, Categorize or Rewrite, which allows you to adjust the tone or format, and Autofill Missing Info, which predicts text based on existing data. For example, if you choose Autofill Missing Info, the AI will use details from nearby columns like task or status to complete the field. This can greatly enhance productivity by reducing the time spent on manual data entry. Next, let's explore how to apply autofill across multiple items. You can select multiple rows by pressing Shift and clicking the desired rows. Afterward, right-click and choose Autofill with AI. This will prompt Monday AI to fill all selected items based on prevailing context. This feature is particularly useful for adding project briefs, client names, or task descriptions that follow a similar pattern. Customizing your AI output is just as easy. If the generated text isn't quite right, you have the option to click on the result and select Regenerate for a new version. If you wish to refine how the AI functions, you can adjust your AI prompt by selecting Customize Prompt. For instance, you could prompt the AI with Summarize this item in one short sentence for a client update. This allows for greater control over the AI's results, ensuring they meet your needs. For those who wish to automate this process permanently, consider using AI columns. To do this, add a new column and select the AI column option. Then choose a template, such as Summarize Item Description. From here, Monday AI will automatically autofill this column whenever a new item is added, turning manual entry into a hands-free workflow. Beyond this, you can combine the autofill feature